Today is May 19th, 2012, and the puppies are, I think, 33 days old, somewhere around there. And they're out of the pool, and for the first time, with a little cat tunnel there, and lots of room on the sheet with puppy pads and all the rest, just to see what they're going to do. And if I don't sit in Rory's bucket of water, I should be able to video some of this. Right now Rory's trying to pull it apart. And everybody seems happy. Tails are up and wagging. They're walking around. Hard to believe that they're almost 5 weeks old. Oh, there's one checking out the cat pyramid. Unfortunately, I can't find any cat cubes anymore, so I had to buy a pyramid which tips easily. But we'll see. They might enjoy it. They usually do. Oh, here's the little boy, who I think we're going to call Jedro. And he's chewing on a cat tunnel. Supposed to be walking in it, not chewing on it, but oh well. I'm going to have to set something up there so that it doesn't roll. And he seems to be in it and walking. Yeah. Oh, and there's one of the girls. And I think we're going to call her, I think she's the one we're going to call Jacinta, which means hyacinth, but I'm not positive. We still haven't decided on J names. And that's the little girl. No, it was the little girl that was in there. I think we're going to call her Joia, which means jewel in Portuguese. First, they're going to learn how to say it. Joia. Joia. And I'm trying to think of the fourth name. Oh, Jovita. Jovita. That's Jovita. And the other one that has no white on its face is either Jacinta, which means hyacinth, or Jonquil, which means jonquil. Yep. She seems happy in there. The tunnel is rolling, but she doesn't seem to mind it. She's a brave little puppy. Nothing bothers her at all. Trying to get them to eat gruel, but so far a couple of licks are about it. So there's Rory with her babies all around her. But they're out exploring, which is good. Oh, that one's looking into the pyramid. Maybe it'll get brave. Maybe she'll get brave. We'll have to see. If we still had our cat Moses, Moses would be in there and they'd go in after it. Oh, down by the moose. Huh? Yeah, they're having a good time. Huh? This one's looking at the other one who's at the end of the tunnel down there chewing on it. Yeah. I'll have to set up something so that tunnel doesn't roll. Oh, here comes this one. Look at how those ears are up already. That is little Joia. Little Jewel. She's a jewel, all right. She is a jewel. Rough and tough. And a real sweetie. Who's chewing on my sock? Who's chewing on my sock? Huh? Is that you, Jonquil? Jonquil? Jonquil or Jacinta? I haven't decided. Whoa. And I yank Rory all around. She's such a good mom. She just takes it. Oh, here's one wandering in and out. Well, that's 6 minutes and about 15 seconds, so that's enough for today. I just had to turn this back on because this little girl is hopping all over like a rabbit. Come here, little girl. And there's the littlest girl. She's doing the same thing. Oh my goodness. This is the first day they've done anything like this. They're all over the place. Life is good. Life is good. They have just found 4 legs and they can move on out with them. Yep. Hi, little girl. Hey, little girl. Please don't pee on my rug. Please don't pee on my rug, no. Hey. Hey, little girl. Jacinta. Jacinta. Is that your name, Jacinta? Are you like a little hyacinth? You're so sweet. You're so sweet in your puppy breath. Oh, my goodness. That puppy breath is just so good. So good, yes. Hey. Hi, little boy. Jedro. Jedro. Little Jedro. Yep. Oh, there's one trying to get into the bed with Mama. Yep. Oh, and here's the other one. Jovita. Coming out of the tunnel. And she's hopping too. Hey, Jovita. Hi, Jovita. You going over with Jedro? Huh? You going over with Jedro? Oh. Whoop. Whoop. Hey, you. What are you doing over there? Everybody else is over here. Come on. Come on back. There. 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 Visit with a moose. Visit with a moose. Yep. Oh, Rory's ripping up the bedding. Yes. Oh my goodness, that tail never stops wagging. That tail never stops wagging. Hi, little girl. Hi. What? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Jovita. Jovita. What are you doing, honey? Huh? What are you doing? Hi. Hello. Yes. Oh, yes. Run around. Run around. Yes.